So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and make a video or like a vlog video. I have some extra time. I'm gonna be cooking some breakfast for you guys, and so yeah, so if you're interested in this video, keep on going. I'm also gonna give you guys some life update for those of you who are wondering if I'm still with Swift or not and what's going on with my life. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos as in recently because I'm always like busy. I'm always driving for the most part, so it's really hard to make content because, you know, like I can't be using my phone while driving, and I don't want to because I don't want to get in trouble because I love my job. But I'm gonna be cooking some chorizo and eggs for me, so that's kind of exciting because I'm starving and I want to bring you guys along with me. I'll give you some updates just in case you're wondering what's going on. So yes, I still, for those of you who are wondering, I still work for Swift. I've been with them for almost 4 years now. But so far everything is going great. I'm still working with I'm still on the Craft Dedicated account. I've been in this same account almost since I started with Swift. And so I just added the eggs. There you go, that's how it looks. And so I had to cut it because I don't have a lot of space on my small fridge. So I had to cut it. So I have a lot of stuff in here. There. Put that there. Put the cottage cheese right there. I'll put one of these away because I don't want to cook. This is how my eggs are looking. I've been in this account for almost since I started with Swift, and I made a great choice staying in this account. Basically all the other accounts are basically about the same in terms of how much miles you run, how much money you make, and all that kind of stuff. So I have enjoyed this account and I'm pretty happy with it. And I still have my same truck. Actually, I'm pretty sure they're gonna take it away within the next 3 to 5 months, I think, because it already has over 332 miles. So definitely will be losing my baby, but it's all right because Swift did now they have brought in the new Peterbilt trucks, and I don't know, I love Freightliners like a lot, but I am excited for the Peterbilt, and I am hoping that I'm able to get one. But if not, I'm still okay if I get a Freightliner. But I don't know, my driver leader hasn't said anything yet, but as soon as she does, I'm gonna see. Because the other thing is that I haven't seen a Peterbilt from the inside to see how small or how big it is, because the thing is that I mentor, so I need some extra compartments, and Freightliner has really big compartments, storage spots and all that. So and that's one of the reasons I love Freightliners, aside from the practicality of how easy it is to drive this truck. But I am excited for the Peterbilt trucks, and I don't know just yet if they're only giving those to like million-mile drivers, or because I'm not sure what the T is with it with that. But if I'm gonna let you guys know if they end up giving me a Peterbilt or not, or most likely you're gonna see it on my future videos if I end up getting one. This is my favorite cheese right here. It's cheap, so I'm pretty sure it's not the best one, but I happen to like it. Another thing is that maybe some of you already know, Swift has changed from the old system Zoner to the Geotab system. This system, it's more how can I say, it's more strict. It's more you have to go basically by the book when it comes to your HOS, your hours of service. It's not very driver friendly. The thing I'm gonna do is I get this, the Up and Up brand from Target. Okay, I'm gonna start prepping my plate. I'm gonna get some foil. It got stuck. That's because of the cheese. That's right there because of the cheese. I'm gonna get this plate that I prepped because it's kind of like not strong, so I want to hold the heat and the oil that's in the very good. I don't want any salt. Really like a lot. What is what? One thing I like to add to this, it's this. I know these people eat it with fruit and other stuff, but this is how I eat it, and it's my food. So I'm just waiting for my quesadillas. It needs a little bit of salt, but very little. Where did I put it? Dumbass. Just a little bit. So that's the shop right there. Right in front of it, the driver's lounge. As you go around like that. Can hardly see anything. Ouch, sharp. I think I'm just gonna eat half. Okay. Still train. Last year I had a great year. I trained every single month and all my students turned out to be great, fortunately. So that was I think that was my best year last year, because the year before that I think I had to kick out a couple students, but this year or last year I mean, everything went fine. Everything was great. And the only new changes with Swift is they brought in the new Peterbilt trucks. But the other thing I was gonna say is that Swift did change their old clock system, Zoner, to the new Geotab system. They've changed it. We've had it like for maybe like a year now. I can't remember. But yeah, since I've been with Swift, that's the only major change. They would change from Zoner to the Geotab system. Definitely that new system that we have now, it is how can I say, it's not difficult. It can be difficult for a first time user, but it's not driver friendly. You cannot be changing things around that much, any amount of functions and all that. You have to be very careful with the way you manage your hours and stuff, because this system, it's not driver friendly, where you could go and adjust some things around if you know you made a mistake or something. Okay, I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I'm losing weight, but my hair is falling off, so
I got this. I'm drinking 1 a day. They want me to drink 2, but I'm a chicken.
On like the last system, we used to have that one. If you made a mistake or something, you could have like easily go and make a couple corrections, as long as it wasn't like crazy. But this one, like if you make any corrections, it will
show you the back
like
of the box.
it will stay
but
the time. And when you changed
I don't know,
whatever
it
you
works. I
changed,
first started taking it like 2
and
weeks ago.
by
So
far most of
I'll
the
let you
times
guys
if you
know
make a
if it
mistake,
works.
you do have to call log support for them
all
to
the
help
bad
you,
food
because
we
it's
eat
not
out
as
here,
easy as the old system.
you paid off with your health. I'm gonna try to eat sometimes. Try to eat healthy, but it's really hard. And I'm like,
I don't love it, but it's all right. I think it's sometimes it's like the system is not that realistic, because we're human beings and we make mistakes and things happen, or things happen on the road. But it's all right. And the other thing that they wanted to bring up is that Swift has changed, or is changing all the smart drive system, which is the cameras that they used to obviously for dash camera. They have changed the smart drive ones to the Neutrodyne, whatever's that system. They have been changing all those cameras to this new camera system. I don't know how it's gonna work, because they're barely gonna install it in my truck. I'm pretty sure that as soon as it goes through maintenance, it's gonna be changed. But I'll keep you posted on that.
That's over the fridge. I have this huge cable right here. Sometimes if I feel like cooking outside, like if I'm gonna cook something that I hate how it smells or something, or if I have extra time, I'll go out and I'll put this table outside and everything. But it's not the case today. I'm just gonna, she's a little dirty. So there you guys have it. I always keep my grill super clean. And yeah, so I put it like right on top of the fridge. The Freightliners have this nice room right here, and it makes it very convenient for this grill. It's the Ninja grill. It comes with 2 grills. It comes with a wavy one, the one that you use to cook steaks, and it has the regular one to make your pancakes, eggs, and stuff like that. And honestly, I've been loving it. It was like $140. I bought it at Target. It's really good. I've been cooking. I do steaks. All sorts of different foods, and it never sticks, and it's really good, and it's really easy to clean up, which is a plus. And that's what I love about this grill. But honestly, I give it a hard 9 out of 10. It's a little heavy. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But hey, I cook a lot in it, and it's helped me keep my cooking journey on point, because sometimes I could get a little lazy, but this one has made it very convenient for me to cook at least 2-3 times a week, which is a plus. But yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and comment down below, and see you. Bye.